problem number 16. We're given the information and we notice that we have a production rate. So this will be POQ, or production order quantity. So chapter 16, or chapter 12 even, problem number 16. Now, we have to again pay attention to, are the holding costs a fixed amounts or a percentage? And you can see the holding costs are $2 per item per year, so they are a fixed amount. The annual demand in this particular case is 12,500. The setup costs per unit, or ordering costs per unit, are $30. Holding costs are the $2 as mentioned before. The daily production rate is 300 units. There are 250 working days per year. And you can see that it will actually calculate the daily demand. Now, we're not given, in this case, a unit price, but we don't need that for the information. Now, I'll just move this up here for the graph. The graph is not necessary. It's just there for illustrative purposes. So let's answer the question. What's the economic order quantity? How much do you order at a time? So the answer for A is 670.82. So every time you do a production run, you should make 670.82 units. How many production runs will be made per year? That is setup. You're going to make whatever product this is, and you're going to, the subcomponents, you're going to start a production run 18.63 times per year. What's the maximum inventory level? You should never have more than 559.01, etc. in your warehouse at one time. You'll never have 670, because if you've listened to the lecture, you see that it's the increase in inventory is sloped. It's not a perfectly vertical line. Now, in part D, what percentage of the time will the facility be producing? This is actually a fairly straightforward calculation. So in part D, you simply take the demand. So you select the demand and you divide it by the production rate. So you take the demand rate divided by the production rate, and this is the answer for part D. Now, somebody says, well, wait a minute, they're only operating 16.6 repeating % of the time. That's for making this particular product. The rest of the time they'll be doing something else. What are the annual costs of ordering and holding inventory? And the answer for E is here, $1,118.63. So $1,118.03. And those are the answers for 1216.